Jake, are you walking your new pet?
Come on, boy.
Oh.
This is the most sober I've ever been while loading a car, and I'm not okay with that.
The city has contacted us. They want us to remove the trucks.
Fuck the city of Tigers. Fuck.
2022 Denali. We got the U-Haul trailer. The Ford is gone, but dang, look at this truck. This thing's sweet. Ooh. Let's see how we get this done.
Should I give it more slack or good?
Show us how this works, sir.
It's out of my relay box. Because I'm fucking retarded. Can't close the hood when it's plugged in.
What the fuck?
Yeah, because it's off. You like how it idles down when I turn the winch on?
Yeah.
Alright. Put a little tension on it. You want to add a tracer next to it? Not really. Okay.
So we got this brick here in case shit hits the fan.
I don't really care.
Jake is going in. He's like, fuck. There's a lot of spider webs. Look at the Jeep though. Dude, this thing's cool, man.
I was acting like I get paid by the fucking hour here.
Yeah, yeah.
Hurry up.
Oh. Jake's driving the International. Look, it's driving. Okay.
See here, let me explain to your fans here. The reason I had to do that is because it fucking sucks turning wheels when you're not rolling. Yeah. So you want to roll it a little bit while you're doing it, right? I daily something with no power steering. I know these things.
Oh, you didn't see me fucking leading into it?
Oh, I saw
Jake was whipping this thing.
I'll roll him a little bit.
Jake was whipping this thing. What are we doing here, Jake?
Well, you know, the hook can fall off. You know, it can't fall off is a closed loop here. So if I can... Oh, wait, you know what? I bet that if I just take this... Oh, that would have been so cool if that worked. You got a bigger one of these?
Let's see. Maybe.
Go like this.
Wow.
Let's see. Hey, remember those
Ah!
remember those puzzles you'd see in the doctor's office where like the fucking I would rock the shit all the time?
Yeah. I remember.
I'd sit there and like solve them in 3 seconds and then I was like, yeah. Okay, now that I've done this isn't gonna fall off when I put slack in the line. So put roll here. How much does your truck cost?
This one?
Yeah.
It's like 70 grand.
Yeah, so to put it in perspective, I could buy like a bunch of these. I don't know how many. I've never
Probably hella. You could fill up this field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can buy like 20 of these for what you pay for your truck.
Yeah. They got tension. The truck is rolling. Jake is driving the International. He's hanging out the door.
Maybe I should have had a couple drinks before I showed up. This is so cheap.
all sober.
This
is the first
this
time I've done
is
something like this sober.
the most sober I've ever been while loading a car, and I'm not okay with that.
Yeah.
Does that mean that we've officially hit UNC status?
We're doing this all sober. I've never
This
done
is
anything
not
like
okay.
this sober.
Yeah.
That's why it's going so smooth.
Honestly, that's probably why we've not had an issue yet.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, we were sober when we crushed the fender of my trailer, though, weren't we?
No, we were not.
We weren't? It was also 1 a.m.
Me and fucking Max were high as fuck.
Oh, yeah, I was sober. And then Max was like, oh, you're good.
Crunch.
I fixed that on Saturday, finally.
Beat the fuck out of it.
I welded a tab. It also makes it so that there's less strap hanging out.
You know what?
What?
My ass.
Alright.
It's nice and flavored.
Figured
and
I
salty
was
right
gonna
now.
after we did this anyway, so like, it doesn't make a difference.
Whoa, whoa. No invite?
You're the cameraman.
Oh, okay.
You got the cuck chair.
Oh.
That hook's really small. You need another D-ring?
I'm gonna need a D-ring. Fucking hell.
You gotta, because like you can't, you know, it's not a hook. Oh shit. Okay.
Fucking dumbass.
Oh, I'm doing this on purpose just to piss people off.
Do you even know how to work a D-ring?
I without the ring, yeah. Anyways. Fuck you. I'm gonna fucking jump off a bridge.
It's almost like I fucking knew something. Holding that?
No, I've never had a come along that was this short.
We've got other things that are this short.
Yeah, you and you.
Wow.
Both of you.
Wow. Somebody's compensating.
I'm the one. Do you see how big this fucking thing is? The one compensating here.
You got a Jurassic Park Jeep.
Yeah, because I'm retarded.
Somebody got off the short bus. He's like, I want a Jeep.
Yeah, you know those. You know that Jeeps are sold to people that like they're short bus kid cars, right?
Shout out Jeep owners.
Oh, that's gonna piss somebody off.
They put me in special ed in elementary school, and then I grew up and I bought a fucking Jeep.
Fuck, that explains
Hey,
it.
you gotta put it.
Fuck you. You know what?
Well, you don't know how to operate a D-ring?
You know what? Speaking to the fucking microphone.
Hey, you gotta put it on the other side.
Am I drunk? I might be. Funny part is we're all fucking sober.
Yeah, that's
We were
true.
talking about that a little bit ago, weren't we?
Yeah. This is why nothing's gone wrong yet.
Yeah, except for you failing.
I can't fucking operate a fucking D-ring sober. I can do it damn good drunk.
U-Haul, if you are seeing this, turn off the video.
This is all.
This is all AI. No.
I'm not.
Oh shit.
Unboxing video number 3. Shout out to fucking Harbor Freight.
We're making it cheap enough that we can afford to have more than one.
Yeah.
When your D-rings are cheaper than... It's cheaper to just link a bunch of D-rings together than buy a piece of chain.
Yep. Welcome to America, folks. I got Boomermobile.
You called the boomer guy.
I did.
I mean, I showed up in a fucking El Camino. I don't think I can get more boomer than that. Here, have it.
Living in an RV and driving El Camino.
Oh, fuck yeah. And I got the mullet, too.
Yeah. Yeah. You were stereotyped.
My AMC Hornet almost caught on fire. Like, between the most worthless truck ever and the most valuable truck ever. This is so fucking unnerving. Oh, I didn't like that.
Maybe like.
Oh my god! Fuck it. She's lit.
Fucking man.
Fucking lit. Forget. Safe.
Oh yeah.
Well, if you were seeing
Some
this,
international guy is so pissed that I just hooked that to the emblem there. Oh my god, this guy's taking forever. You paid by the hour, bud? Sure am. Uh-huh. I ain't even doing this shit for fucking beer. Yeah, I forgot we're all sober. Oh shit, this door has like barely any rust on it. That's cool. What? You were almost done. Why you... There. Fuck a deer. That took you way too long.
Oh, you didn't say it. You didn't do the thing.
Oh, damn.
This fucking guy. What, are you new?
Yeah, I didn't go nowhere.
There you go. Sad.
I'd miss my kid's graduation from this shit.
Dang, look at that. Here we are. All right. Oh, let's put these safety chains back. Ooh. Hey, brought that El Camino out. It's pretty dark right now, but this thing's pretty mint. All right, we're scrapping this truck. Some stuff on the property.
Alright, you guys can get it up there. Alright, pick it up.
All right. Ugh. All right, we got it loaded up. Well, we don't have it loaded up, but we got the bed loaded up. All right, little morning update for y'all. Got the International in the back hooked up. We're gonna go up this hill and see how the Denali, you know, pulls this thing. All right, let's see it, boys. Hey, she's hauling chillin'. She's hauling chillin'. The U-Haul trailer, though, sounds pretty crazy right now. You see it in the back there. Whew. Hey, the Denali pulling, though. Hell yeah. We're not even going that fast, but she's chilling. We're here dropping off the International. Let's get it off this trailer. All right. Oh, it's perfect.
Is that good enough?
Yep.